don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Hello friends, welcome to our channel AgriWizard BAU. Before we begin the video, I would like to thank all of you for supporting us and our channel and keep supporting us in the same way, and we will be dedicated to bring such videos which are important for various exams for agriculture students. So in today's video, we will know about the important points of gardening from Floriculture at Glance by Deshraj. So let's begin the video. The first point is garden, that is referred to as genesis of gardening. It is the Garden of Eden. Moving on, the first Islamic garden of India was built by Firoz Shah. The first botanical garden in the world is situated at Venice in Italy, and it was built in 1543. The Rashtrapati Bhavan garden was laid out by Sir Edwin Lutyens, and it was completed in the year 1929. The next point is the concept of wild gardening was given by Sir William Robinson. Let's know more about this concept. A wild garden is created by gardener that serves as heaven for the surrounding wildlife. Now we'll know about the three types of garden. The three types of garden are formal garden, informal garden, and freestyle garden. We'll deal with them in detail. The formal garden. What is a formal garden? A formal garden is the one in which symmetry and geometry are focused. It is a formal type, एक office की तरह. You can also see this in the picture shown. And the plan is made on paper first and then executed on the field. Now let's see about the examples of formal garden. The first example is the Mughal garden that was introduced by Babur in India, like the Taj Mahal garden, Roshnara garden of Delhi, Rashtrapati Bhavan garden, and Nishad garden of Srinagar. Now let us see about the informal garden. In informal garden, the plan is forced to fit the land for securing natural beauty. It has asymmetrical pattern. As the famous example of informal garden is Japanese garden, you can see in the photo. This is a Japanese garden, and it is also known as nature in miniature. Now let us know about some examples of Japanese garden in India, and the famous example is the Buddha Jayanti garden that is situated in New Delhi. Now the next type of garden is freestyle garden. In freestyle gardening, all types of garden are mixed to give a picturesque effect. इसमें सारे type of garden को एक साथ represent किया जाता है and it gives a picturesque effect. You can see the example in the picture shown. The example of freestyle garden in India is the Rose Garden of Chandigarh. आगे बढ़ने से पहले अभी तक जिन लोगों ने भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो लोग जरूर याद से अभी तुरंत सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाएं. So now let's move on to the next point. The stone lanterns are a feature of Japanese garden. You can see a stone lantern in the picture. Now we'll see about the examples of garden that has been asked in the chapter of gardening in Deshraj book. First we'll see about the international gardens. The first one is Osaka, that is in Japan. The second one is Missouri Botanical Garden, that is located in St. Louis in USA. Now let us see about the Indian gardens that has been asked in Deshraj. The first one is the Dilkush Garden that was built by Jahangir, and it is located in that time Lahore. The second one is the Baradari Garden that was built by Bhupinder Singh and is located in Patiala. The third garden is the Sayaji Park that is located in Baroda and was built in 1879. It is also important because the branching palm is located in this garden and the scientific name is Hyabina thibaica. The fourth garden is the Mandhor Garden, which is located in Jodhpur and built by Abhay Singh. Then is the Mughal Garden of Pinjore that was built by Fadai Khan. Then we have already seen Roshnara Park that is located in New Delhi. It is the Japanese style of garden, and it was built by Professor K. Mori. The next garden is the Lal Bagh Garden that is located in Bengaluru and was built by Hyder Ali. And the importance in this garden is the location of floral clock. It is asked that floral clock is located in which garden. The next is Government Botanical Garden that was built in 1848 in Ooty. The next garden is Sims Park in Konur, and it was built by J.D. Sim in 1874. The next garden is Byrant Park in Kodaikanal. Then the garden asked was the Indian Botanic Garden, which was built in 1787 in Kolkata, and the oldest banyan tree is located in this garden. Then the next thing that is mentioned is the Agri Horticulture Society Garden that was built in the year 1872 and has the largest collection of plants, and it is also situated in Kolkata. The next garden is the Lloyd Botanical Garden that is in Darjeeling and was built by Sir George King in the year 1878. The Dawn redwood, the living fossil tree, is preserved in this Lloyd Botanical Garden. The next garden that is mentioned is the NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute. It is located in Lucknow and is also known as Sikandarbag. So this was all for today's video. We covered the topic of gardening, that is the first topic in floriculture at glance. Be connected to our channel and we will cover more such topics that are very helpful for JRF, DDA exam and semester exams also. Thank you for watching.